Thanks for considering Smart Turf Artificial Grass as your turf supplier. With the rapid growth the synthetic grass industry has seen, we know how hard it is to find a dependable supplier with quality products who can deliver what you need and when you need it. At Smart Turf, we have been servicing the wholesale supply business for 50 years, and we are here to provide you the tools you need for success. Although there are many things that make Smart Turf products the best in the industry, we'd like to draw your attention to three things. First, Smart Turf is proudly made in the USA. In fact, we manufacture our artificial grass in our Chatsworth, Georgia factory, where we control each step and all raw materials used to manufacture our products. In addition, we are proud to add great jobs in a growing industry and support the local economy. Second, Smart Turf is the exclusive artificial grass partner of Microban International. That means our artificial grass is the one and only artificial turf with Microban antimicrobial technology, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold, mildew, and reduces odor-causing bacteria by 99%. Consumers love the peace of mind knowing that their family members and pets are living on the cleanest synthetic turf in the industry. The other great thing is that this amazing feature is integrated into the product, so it will never wash off or wear out and will stay active for the life of the product. Third, Smart Turf's 1550 warranty cannot be matched. At Smart Turf, we are so confident in the quality of our product that we support them with the industry's most dependable 15-year warranty. Unlike other turf company warranties, our warranty is backed by a company who has been in business over 50 years. Unlike other fly-by-night companies who disappear when you attempt to make a claim, we stand by every product we make. When you choose Smart Turf, you can be assured your purchase decision is backed by a warranty that is the gold standard in the industry. When you are ready to make the smart decision to move forward, you will be happy to know that Smart Turf has distribution centers strategically located throughout the U.S. and can supply the material you need for your project quickly. We'd love to learn more about your business needs. Please schedule a 15-minute chat with a product knowledge expert or learn more about what we offer at smartturf.com.